This is an explanation of the Untilt feature of BeamformX/DroneHound version 7.032. The array is facing not vertically but instead at an angle of 65 degrees relative to the horizontal mounting. To see what's happening, we'll push play in the play buffer. You can see that the source is moving from right to left in the image. If we change the show selection from SPL to sources, we can see the source being tracked. To see a plot of the angles, we'll change the camera view from camera to fisheye. Now we can see that the theta angle is in the 20 to 30 degree range, which depends on the distance of the source relative to the center of the field of view. And as phi changes, it'll reset. The source moves from right to left in the image as it did in the camera view. To correct the angles from angles measured in the array coordinate system to the coordinate system with the array horizontal, we'll use the new feature, which is the untilt source entry. So let's set that to 65 degrees, the orientation of the array. Now the source is moved to the perimeter of the display. So theta is 90 degrees. That's because the source is roughly at the same height as the array. And apart from resetting, the source is still moving from right to left in the image. Now, if this were a map on the table and we were looking down on it, we'd expect the source to be moving from left to right. So we can address that by flipping the picture horizontally. This is also necessary if the array is simply faced in the vertical direction. So now the source moves from left to right, as we expect. It might be preferable to have the top of this display corresponding to the direction that the array is facing. We can address that by adding 180 degrees to phi. So this is the display in that coordinate system. So we look at the spectral plot. We can see that the theta is staying roughly constant at 90 degrees. The phi angle changes. It's resetting. So the phi angle decreases as the source moves from right to left in this now flipped display. The distance r is not correct because range measurement doesn't work correctly indoors. And the drone metric is quite low because this isn't a drone, it's an iPhone. The settings, the untilt setting applies to the fisheye mode, and when it's turned on, this indication is shown in the display. So we have untilt turned on and phi equals 180 degrees increment. But untilt and the phi change also affect the radar displays. So here's the radar R display. Again, it's not correct because the range measurement doesn't work indoors. But it also could have been applied to the radar row display. Now, the computed theta and phi values in the drone metric would also be spooled to the JSON output if remote were selected. So that's the end of the explanation. If you have questions, please contact me, Bob Doherty, or Steve Wampler at OptiNav. Thanks for watching.